Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert an image into your documents and notes on Saner AI. So let us guide you through it. Head over to Saner AI, access the document, note or page you would like to edit and customize. I will go with that one for demonstration purposes and start a new line here inside your document. Next, give it a command / and then image, and you will see this action below. So select it, image, and now guys, you can either drag and drop to give an image file in PNG or JPEG from your device, or you can use that upload an image button to locate it on your device. So let me go with this channel's example logo, or for example, click into upload, locate it, wait for a brief moment, and there you go. That's it. Now, of course, you can resize it. You can change its position. You can add an image description, and you can also remove it by pressing backspace on your keyboard. That's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.